He's fully awake now. We got it. Tartarus is here now.
Tropico.
Get Tropico. I can't move because of my cursor.
Tartarus right now. Oh,
no. Yes, Tropico stayed ahead. This is a good chance. Either you survive or you die. Tartarus is finally here now.
Not Tartarus.
Oh my God, here we go.
Here we go, folks.
I'm recording this.
It is the one and only Tartarus. 3,500 coins for this one. Tartarus is here to destroy you.
There's no shelter key in this one, right?
Yeah.
What a glorious day. Glorious day it is. And what a beautiful world this is.
I got an item.
Innocent for birth. The beauty of growth. And the sorrow of death.
You know what they're saying on
Yes,
the HCC,
the essence of life.
See that?
Has been cursed by the ancient text. Let me clear the skies for you.
Shit.
There's Tartarus right there. Now look, the moon is the moon on the horizon. Do you see it?
Well,
it's the blood moon. It means he has returned. It's shining lovely, isn't it?
Oh, no.
The blood moon will start light and consume the universe periodically. You can refute this property and save us all by surviving the night.
On the volcano.
But as last, it is helpless. The universe is to be consumed by darkness. This is Tartarus.
And there we go.
This is
blood moon is really increasing. This is an emergency request to the World Blockchain government issued for worldwide. It seems that's at the end of the world.
Oh fuck!
This is it. Disasters have been happening on the world with extraordinary powers. However, there is a way to end all of this.
Kuching International Airport.
You must survive redacted disasters in order to...
Alright.
Because of how powerful they are, your chances of surviving are low.
Look at my
game.
Look at me.
Mercy be with you all.
Here we go.
May mercy be with us all. And
Yeah.
now, they are starting.
57! 58!
The first phase.
What's that?
Siren Head! It's Siren Head! Siren Head!
Nice one.
I'm an ancient tech.
All the way.
Disaster. The
Where's
first
the
one
hit at? Where's the
traveling.
hit at?
What is this?
Where's this avalanche?
Where's the hit at?
Where is it?
There it is, in the middle. In the middle.
Oh shit!
I have super speed. Dude, I have super speed.
My body's so big.
I literally have super speed.
EMD!
I'm literally going freaking fast as hell. Look at me.
I'm just whirling. What?
You were questioned by Tartarus on that.
We hope this is it. Or something.
Call Surge, get up on the mountain.
Oh no,
Get on the mountain. Ride the Call Surge. It's rising. Tartarus is the
I'm climbing up the mountain.
Get on top of the mountain now. Otherwise you will fail the Cold Surge. again.
Yeah, it was on focus.
Well, I'm gonna tune into Tokyo International Airport, Haneda.
Wait, can't you?
This is very hard.
I'm tuning into Haneda Airport.
Oh, okay.
And yes, I have ATC access.
Going down. It's gonna happen again. Avalanche. I think avalanches are occurring.
What is it happening right now?
Avalanches are coming down now.
Oh, good.
Alright, go down that way.
Oh, fucking goodness.
Side. Stay away from them. Stay away from them. Super avalanche.
Oh my God.
Now they're gonna have to go around the mountain.
They're coming this way.
Brace yourself. Oh my God, I'm laughing. I'm laughing bad.
Yo,
I'm laughing so bad.
here's the recoil.
Oh my God.
Nothing you did again.
Go mountain.
Hold thirds.
38, wait for a golf train
I
and runway
can
19. Yeah,
prove the oil with the title.
use my
The oil starter has proven will not be questioned. That's what I like to see. On top of the mountain. My HP is regenerating. Now. Alright. Now. Avalanche. Wait for it to go down. Okay. Avalanche and hold surge. Nope, it's a normal. That's a small one. It's going one direction. Super one means it happens all around. That's just one direction away. Done now? Is it done? Nope, it's still going.
It's so good.
It's still going. Go to the other side over here. Okay, over here. Wait a minute. Okay, I'm seeing it now. Actually, got this loyalty. Loyalty question like Tartarus.
Me and X been living the VIP first step.
Hold, sir.
Hold thirds.
Get up on the mountain now. 12 people are left. 5 have already suffered death from Tartarus. He's just up there watching. He's up there watching us. Red Rabbit had his loyalty question. Red Rabbit failed to prove their loyalty. Going back down now. I am literally super speed, bro. How am I super speed? It's done? Nope, it's still going. How much longer are you gonna go, Avalanche? How much longer is this Avalanche gonna go?
It'll be the 93 tax weighted off the right and short or going to the right.
Still falling down from the summit of the mountain. Anything else? It's still falling down. Now I gotta get to the other side. Now they're falling towards the front. Stay on the mountain.
Red Rabbit!
Another one out. 6 dead, 11 left. Now which direction? Now this way. I gotta go back the other direction now. Now I gotta go back over here.
Come to this direction.
This house has mainly been destroyed. The whole inner part is destroyed.
That house though.
Whoa! Lightning just struck the avalanche now. The avalanche just stopped. They got past the first phase. There's still 2 more before we move on to phase 2. Mountain is descending.
Possibly clear right, no crossing that. and contact ground.
Bye-bye, Avalanche Mountain.
Finally.
Do not resist.
Do not
Become
resist.
a sacrifice
Become a
to the blood moon. Embrace it.
No.
Lava flood. Lava flood. Get up something high.
Get to the volcano. Get to
I'm
the
on top.
volcano.
I'll go on this top of the house. Let me see how high. Maybe this house will be high enough.
Get to the volcano.
Hurry!
95 studs high.
Oh, no.
No.
I'm going to the volcano. Coming up.
We're at 4 remain to the right, clear to land, state park. Busting, put in a couple.
Thank God you're here, man.
5038, put in a 12. Roger.
I see the lava.
All this lava.
How is that?
The lava is halfway. Reach the volcano. I don't know if this is safe or not. Reach the upper houses all right. So that was obviously not a good idea at first. They got to traverse this volcano. It's like the only highest spot.
I see burning debris. And we got one person is on the. Oh no, you're dead, bro.
Oh, you're dead on those houses. They just collapsed. Those houses literally collapsed. You're dead, bro. You're dead.
That's gonna be a 7-2.
Now it's gonna go down to 10. Oh, it's receding. It's receding. He actually
Never
passed
mind,
it.
he's still alive.
He passed it because the lava's receding. It's dropping down. You're clear.
And I still see the shelter right here.
For now. You may try to obey, but your fate is sealed. Accept it.
So what's this?
Tsunami! Go back to the volcano.
Stay on top of the volcano.
This one was 6.8. Pretty low one. You're the quickest trigger of tsunami.
How are you this giant, dude?
What are you looking at? Super tsunami approaching the land. Super one approaching the land. Where is it?
Yeah, so the carrot passes from left to right. We hold short runway left.
It's coming from over there. It might be from over there.
I see it.
Where?
Hold on. I think it's just that. Volcano side. Oh, I think I see it. I think I see it. Oh my god, I see it. Oh my god. Let's go. Over. I'm over. Yeah. I'm okay.
I'm okay as well.
We're clear. We got past the first phase. Your destiny is not something you can outrun.
My destiny is not something you can outrun. Phase 2.
Phase 2. Wait for the timer. Wait for the timer to keep going. Some of you have shown bravery in the face of adversity. However, resistance is futile. The time has come to bow down to your new leader. You shall now witness the true power of the blood moon. Get the phase 2. 56. It's even higher. 58. 59. Phase 2. On to phase 2. Here we go.
Phase 2, we're moving on to it.
Alien invasion.
Oh, hell no.
Alien invasion in phase 2.
Take cover.
I have high speed. Alien invasion imminent. This is bad. It even thinks it encrypted.
What is this? Oh my god.
We've intercepted a signal from deep outer space. Reports of a UFO in the area. These lightning strikes are not something to mess with. There's the UFO. I don't know how many UFOs we're sending in after this scout was away.
Half died.
There's the blood moon up there.
But that doesn't count as a death rate. And Ray kicked
I'm
the
the
bucket.
death ray. I have my. It may not be as hard for me to actually escape. Oh my god, the avalanche is coming down now. UFO is seemingly disappeared, but just to stay on high alert.
Oh shit!
Get careful with the hand!
Incoming transmission from the alien civilization. The accelerate and fishing from afar. Join hands with Tartarus to take Earth's destiny once again. From advanced realms, wielding unraveled might, we descend to conquer resistance futile. Brace for a rat.
Run away from the hand, you're gonna die!
Sending in a force of 6. 6 UFOs descending in. Their behavior seems perfect. Oh my god, airstrike, airstrike! Oh god, that airstrike!
Oh fuck!
I don't think it's broken down. That's bad.
Oh shit, shit! Nice try, UFO! You ain't getting me! Kelly died!
Oh my god!
And the dude died!
What the fear is that?
Oh shit! Can you swim underwater?
50 seconds left.
Oh shit, I'm getting shot at! I'm getting shot at!
Struck by lightning. God damn, they're really targeting me, dude.
No!
I'm lagging.
Shit!
Bro, they kept targeting me.
No, the hand is getting me! The hand is getting me!
Dead. They'll get my Tartarus.
Oh shit!
Fucking tsunami. Fucking UFOs targeting me.
Where's the arrow? Where's the arrow now?
Oh shit! Oh shit!
What is damn shit lock? Now they're done. Those damn UFOs were not targeting me. Mission accomplished. Detain in vain, Earth, fight await Tartarus' call. Remember this day, display loyalty. Embrace your role as a planet. Submit to the threads of destiny that bind you. Special Tornado!
Special Tornado what?
There's a tornado limited. Something! What's the tornado? Tornado is about to touch down. Shelter immediately. What tornado is tornado at? I'm struck by lightning again. Are you
Oh, I see it!
I see it.
I see the tornado. It's a mega tornado. Mega tornado is touched down.
Mega tornado.
For 50 seconds, it says absolutely one. I'm going to the volcano. Screw this. I'm going here. We only have to survive 50 seconds of this mega tornado.
Careful with the hand! Careful with the hand!
Careful with what you do.
There's a hand flying out!
Oh shit!
Line 50 heavy, run the right side to pick up.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It's done.
It's done. Big bye.
Might have got close, but it's dying out. An avalanche falling down.
This is getting hard for ass.
Your soul shall find its rest. Surrender to the darkness.
No! Get me out! No, no, no!
Black hole!
Black hole!
Black hole now!
Black hole!
Now! Goddamn airstrike!
Where did the hand even came from?
Tartarus sent in that hand. A religion of space-time has seen an enormous shift in gravitational power.
Is it following me? Oh no, it doesn't. Thank you, Mark.
Black hole's right in the middle of the map.
Run away.
That one's now in there. Well, it's not gonna hurt.
950 heavy contact, Departure.
Wait, who's still alive? No! Get out, wait.
There's those hands.
No!
Minute 40.
No, I'm dead, no!
You're paralyzed. Looks like your run of Tartarus could be over. These hands, bro. These hands.
I'm still around. I'm still alive.
Now the timer
No,
stops.
I'm dead, the hand is getting me!
The timer stops. Now it's too much. You're coming down. Watch out for Climstone forcing. Look out for massive hitboxes. Constant rate.
It's like Ellie, your boyfriend's coming.
29 right below the dome line.
People are last.
Ellie, your boyfriend's coming in.
Oh, okay. Oh,
Yeah, me.
7 now.
I feel
Contact ground.
I still defeated.
3, 2, 1. It's over for the. Oh my. Gravitational power has. Wow, that's a good way to die. Just leave it. In the realm of chaos, surrender is the only path to salvation. Now they're moving on to the third phase. Your resistance has earned your title in Prisoner Thing. If you will not bow to my command and accept your fate, then perhaps I shall bring fate to you. Now come to hell.
What the hell, no?
Jump. Water is actually over the damn volcano. What the fuck?
It's tilted. The whole map is tilted.
It is tilted. What the fuck? It is tilted.
Oh my god.
I remember when this happened, when the map got tilted exactly like this. It's literally tilting.
Ow.
Oh, I see.
Fall into the void.
No, I'm not going to.
I'm not gonna fall into the void. Come join me in the underworld.
No.
Join me.
Never! Never will I join you in the underworld. It is time to resurrect the disasters of ancient past.
No.
As I open the portal to the underworld, they have returned to Earth. And they shall now assist me in rebuilding my kingdom. Right! Tartarus has awakened many vanished ancient disasters.
I'm literally still alive.
Rise up!
Jump.
Jump! Okay.
Now it's tilting.
Tilting back down. It's going back down flat now. Rise from the dead. Going back down to its normal. Going back down.
Oh hell
to its
no, not
normal
the hand.
position.
I can see that. Don't let it fall.
Struck by lightning again. Dude, lightning fucking twice.
Thank you, X-Kid.
This motherfucking lightning, dude. Bro. I hate this motherfucking lightning.
Lagging so hard.
Now on to phase 4. Okay. This might actually be phase 3. 3 a.m. Phase 3, my bad. Start of phase 3.
I'm falling down! Come get me!
If you move when the angel awaits, a fatal fate your life dictates. A flash of lightning strikes so bright, your body falls without a fight.
What a pose.
Weeping angel, vanish scourge of soul of sorrow. Hand, when the weeping angel cries, do not move. It seems as though a large fighting has appeared from north and from nothingness.
Jacob,
What do you need?
I'm going to eat dinner. You have control.
Okay.
Don't move.
You must continue to evade the chaos, but do not move when the weeping angel opens its eyes. It's waking up. Be ready.
If it says do not move, then you got it.
Yes, do not move. Eyes open. Do not move or jump.
Not move.
I'm not moving.
Eyes closed.
You can now move. The eyes are open.
Eyes open.
Don't move! Don't move!
Stop.
Don't move.
Stop.
What the heck?
Eyes closed.
Eyes closed.
Eyes open.
Don't move! Don't move right now! Don't move right now!
Don't move. Eyes closed.
Rayhan, come on! Don't move!
Go open. Do not move. What my motherfucking lightning?
Why did I?
Eyes open.
No! I have less health bar. Please!
Close. Dead
No, I have less
again.
health left!
Every fucking time, those hitboxes and that damn lightning.
Fuck!
Open. Close.
I already died. So.
Open. Eyes are closed. Done. How are there still 4 people alive?
Yeah.
Already died.
I cannot be defeated.
Oh, yes, you
Yes, you can be defeated.
However, I got back to the path. I'm back to the path.
Do not resist the storm. Walk into the storm. I'm not gonna give your life to me.
No.
There's gonna be a bigger tornado incoming.
You're insanity. Tornado.
Oh!
Be careful. They have to watch the world. Have we got it fixed? Massive tornado!
Oh, I saw it!
Oh, massive tornado! Now die! Now die! I am not getting pulled into that monstrosity! There is no way I'm getting pulled into that! Walk into the storm! Oh no, you don't! This will keep the truth in the storm! And the truth in the storm! Stop that gravitational pull! Now the tornado is close! You will walk through the storm! Death! Now we are left! Two left! You survived Tartarus! Now, and the tornado killed me again. Lagging badly from me. Join the storm. Oh, first. We will walk through the storm. I got thrown out of the universe. Dead again. That's tornado's dead. I will not walk into that storm. It's dead.
Okay. Who's the final thing?
I can barely see. You shall now feel the wrath of the sun.
Now feel the wrath.
Let the power of the sun rain down on you all. The banished force of celestial chaos.
Oh my god.
Solar flare. Reports are revealing of intense eruptions of electromagnetic radiation. Concentrated solar flares are arriving to Earth. Keep on fast base moving, stay vigilant, and watch for incoming concentrated base. 15 impacts remaining.
Watch out for the storm, brothers!
They will keep impacting. Oh shit, I thought we found one that filter strike. And dead again.
How did you go so high?
More to go.
Oh shit, I got zapped!
Final phase.
We're on 6 a.m.
Phase 4. Tartarus is going down. It's halfway below the ground. It is time to end.
It is time to send. It is
time to reclaim our earth as the kingdom. The king of evil. Abandonment. The fall of Tartarus. Oh my god! Boom!
What the fuck?
Don't say the word.
Work together on this!
What's on it?
The end is here. Tartarus plans to reclaim his kingdom once and for all. Tartarus continent has reached its full potential. The blood moon will crash into Earth. Humanity has one final chance to prevent the Tartarus continent from consuming Earth. Those who have not yet fallen to Tartarus must disarm all 4 beacons at the top of the pillar. There is limited time. You will try to stop disarm all power before they pull the moon close to the Earth. Humidity for Tartarus.
What?
Vulnerable. Do not try and stop me. 3 more pillars remain to disarm. Oh my god, these meteors.
Oh my god.
Whoa. Do not try and stop me.
I will try.
We'll stop.
You know what?
I will destroy you all.
I will destroy you.
2 pillars remain. One pillar remains. 3 have been disarmed. One more pillar.
Come on.
Still 3 minutes. All pillars are disarmed.
Yes.
The blood moon is not fractured. No, this could not be. I cannot be defeated. The You can be defeated. From the shadows of the blood moon rose, but our resistance eclipsed starting head. Tartarus failed, yielding to the unyielding spirit of humanity. Goodbye, Tartarus. Tartarus, it's gone. As Tartarus meets its demise, Yin and Yang are free from control.
Back from dinner.
They have begun recreating the moon, free of Nalise.
Back from dinner.
7 a.m. is upon us, the dawn of a new day.
Goodbye.
I had Costco pizza again.
At last.
Hey, you're the prison here.
Balance. At last.
What is happening?
It's done. It's done.
No way 2 people should survive this.
So who's
No
How
way.
it finishes.
How?
I literally got it
How
recording.
they survive?
Only 2 people
Hey,
survived
Adrian.
completely.
Oh my
Two
God.
people got through Tartarus.
Adrian.
What?
Alright, let's see the survivor.
Okay, now
Who got past that?
No fucking way.
And another one that had elite?
All of them.
That's 7,000 coins from that due to the elite. Total map damage is $3,075,915.
Wow.
We are all back in the lobby.
it's done. Finally.
Thank goodness. GG.
Tartarus. If you want to awaken
That was
Tartarus
crazy.
again, if you want to
I
awaken him again,
did survive the first. I did survive the first phase at least.
if you want to survive him again,
Finally.
you have to find another 5 fragments if you want to wake him again.